Planning to visit Nepal? Watch this video until the end. Ito po ang steps papunta ng Kathmandu if you are holding a Philippine passport. First, you have to book your ticket, round-trip ticket, then pumunta ako sa Thai Airways counter. Okay, ito po yon. Dito, nag-check-in ako. Yan, dito sa Suvarnabhumi Airport. Yes, at sobrang dali. Ito may boarding pass na ako. Aakyat na ako going to immigration. Sabi nila, itong escalator daw ay sobrang nakakalungkot kasi iiwan mo na ang Thailand. But to me, every time I step on this escalator, masaya ako kasi makagala or makauwi ng Pilipinas. Iba-iba ang pananaw ng bawat tao. This is now my trip going to Kathmandu. Thai Airways. Tara dali at samahan niyo akong hanapin ang aking seat number. Paminsan-minsan mag-travel din tayo ng mga top-tier airlines. Tingnan niyo, maluwang. Hindi masikip, unlike sa low-cost airlines na Diyos ko Lord. Pag nagbiyahe ka, parang hindi ka makagalaw. May unan, may commode, at may screen. So, mag-enjoy ka ng flights mo going to your destination. It's pretty amazing here in Thai Airways. Of course, kainan na at masarap ang food sa loob ng eroplano. And of course, the red wine, perfect! Sa wakas, dumating na rin kami dito sa Kathmandu. At ito na, preparing to embark. Wow! Haggard ang beauty ko! Finally, I arrived here in Kathmandu. Finally, I'm here in Kathmandu in Nepal, the birthplace of Lord Buddha. Don't worry po mga kabayan, meron pong mag-assist sa inyo how to fill up this form at i-print then magbayad. Ito po ang area to pay for the visa. For Philippine passport, you will pay $31 here. You can pay visa as well. At sobrang bilis ang din sa pag-process ng visa. It's here. It's pretty cold here in Nepal. I'm here already at Kathmandu and going to our hotel. I took the taxi from the airport. Pagkalabas nyo ng immigration, meron namang taxi area. Then magbayad ka ng 500 Nepali rupee going to your hotel. Not bad. Inilarawan ko ang Nepal na very mystical. Sulit ang bakasyon. Jose Rolando at 56.